Hi, this is Gabriel from the Look Digital Signage team. I was looking forward to this moment when I could unpack and present to you our flagship media player model. And finally, the time has come. So kindly meet Look HD-2218 Pro, a player with true 4K support built into the system by default. This surely doesn't mean that it will not be compatible with lower resolution screens. Let me try to explain why. The fact is that the Android firmware always has a certain fixed output resolution, and this will always be the same, unlike desktop platforms where the system can check the screen resolution via HDMI and accordingly change the settings of the GPU output resolution. Here at Look, we've made this resolution being 4K at the firmware level, and even if you set the resolution below this one in the system settings, the output will still give you the 4K with downscale. Now let's take a look at the hardware part to figure out what allows this player to work smoothly with consistent 4K output. The heart of this device is a 6-core flagship 3399 CPU model from Rockchip, and it has 4 GB of RAM and a 32 GB SSD. It's got this in the box. For regular cases, we can use this in our digital signage projects, to be honest. Also, I would like to highlight the 1 gigabit LAN Wi-Fi of the 5th generation, a USB 3.0 and Type-C connector, which secretly can be an output for the second duplicate monitor, but only with Full HD resolution. Let's finally open the box and check what we have here, what's inside. So, on the top there is the device itself, obviously, and then under the bottom, we find everything we might need to successfully plug in and power it on. The HDMI cable and the power supply units, all of this, with connectors for any country and region you see, and you can connect it wherever you are. And the remote, which honestly is required only to accept 1 or 2 permissions in the beginning. Okay, now let's start to connect it to our TV. Just want to underline that this device is as plug and play as it's possible, and you don't need to download anything or log in anywhere. And this is a really good option. I think it saves a lot of time and energy, especially when you try to deploy a large-scale digital signage network. Well, all things work as usual, and we can see the code added to the CMS, and after a couple of seconds we're able to assign our test playlist with the usage of several zones, dynamic content, and with 4K videos. As a proof of my words above, we can see proper information about the resolution of this media player within the screen settings inside the Look CMS. But I think this is not enough. So let's arrange a super stress test for our challenger. To do that, we need to divide the screen into 4 areas, and we add a weighty 4K video to each one of them, thereby making the player to render all of these at the same time. Now, right to the screen. Okay, well, here's a complete picture without visible errors, distortions, delays, or interruptions. Frankly, I didn't dare to send it to any device in the price category up to $100 because I think the result would be deplorable. If you're looking for the robust and really powerful media player to quickly and professionally deploy your digital signage network, you definitely should take a closer look at this HD-2218 Pro. This versatile media player supports both horizontal and vertical orientations, and is capable to work with any types of screens, from regular TVs to LEDs and video walls as well. So this is awesome. Seems like I don't have anything else to do or say other than leave a purchase link for this outstanding item in the description below, and you'll find it under this video. Which is, I think it's really important to wherever you are. We are ready to ship it to you with the fast affordable delivery from multiple warehouses around the world. So make your best choice right now, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and most importantly, take care and stay safe.